Hello and welcome to this very first lecture of Fluid Mechanics at Oilgasm. This is Tanir. In this lecture, I'm going to ask you a very silly question, right? A silly question is that what is the difference between the word flow and the word move? So there are two words. The first word is called flow and the second word is called move. Are both of these words same? Can I use flow and move interchangeably? Let's try to figure out, okay? So let's say I'm having this solid metallic can in my left hand. Now I made this solid metallic can move from my left to the right hand. Take a notice of the word that I used here. I said that I made this can move from my left to right hand. Could I have said that I made this can flow from my left to right hand? Would that have been correct? The answer is no. It wouldn't have been correct. You couldn't have used the word flow in this case. You had to only use the word move. Now the question is why? Why do I have to use the word move in this case? Let's say in the case of a fountain that is flowing in between, let's say, two mountains, okay? You're going to say that the water is flowing in between points A to B. You're not going to say that the water is moving between points A to B. So when it's water or when it's any kind of fluids, you're using the word flow. Whereas whenever it's something solid, you're using the word move. So what are the features that goes on to characterize these two words? How the word flow is so different than any other movement related words like move, like displacement, like distance, like traverse. That is something that you're going to give yourself 5 minutes to think. And I promise that as you go on to get into this thinking mode, you're going to land up in a very confusing space. In fact, what I would also suggest to you is take one step more and Google it out. Just type out what is the difference between the word move and the word flow. And you're going to read a number of blogs as well as you're also going to read a number of fights. But do read through all of them. Do read through all of those fights where people are trying to establish their definitions. They are amazing read. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to give you the answer, and with that, we're going to open the entire lecture of fluid mechanics. In this entire series of fluid mechanics, we're going to cover each and every concept that you need to know to become a master of fluid mechanics. So, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, let us know your answers in the comment section. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you.